Hello. So let's do lesson 138. This is one where you do not actually have a blue sheet, so you should have looked at the PDF and done this on your own sheet of paper, and then come back, watch the video, and see if you did everything right. So number one, 232 people need to ride the elevator to the top of a skyscraper. The elevator can hold 9 people at a time. How many people will be in the elevator on the last trip to the top? So we're talking about the last trip, and we're assuming that 9 people get on every single time. So I want to know how many trips of 9 is that? I'm going to start with that. 232 divided by 9. Let me see, we could do 20 trips of 9 people. That would be 180 people on the elevator. So we've got 52 people left still wanting to ride that elevator. So another 5 trips on the elevator would get us 45 people with 7 people left. And that's less than 9. So I have 25 trips of 9 people. Okay, and that has gotten all of them up except for these 7 that are left over. So the last trip is going to have 7 people. So that remainder 7, those are the 7 people that ride the elevator on the very last trip. So we'd actually have 26 trips to get everybody up there, right? Just the last trip would only have 7 people. Number 2, $6.79 plus some number equals $22. The way to solve something like this is to take your $22 and subtract your $6.79 and see what's left. Of $22, I'm taking away $6.79. I have to regroup. I have to go all the way over to the 2. I'll make that a 1. Bring this over to be a 10, and then I'm going to regroup from that. Now I can subtract everything. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. Do some more regrouping. 5. So 15, 21. I can double check. So $15.21 plus $6.79 should get us to $22, and it does. So $15.21 seems right. $15.21. Simplifying. When you're simplifying and there's a fraction, it means you're going to divide the numerator and denominator by some number and get a simpler fraction. So 45 and 135, maybe 5 jumps out at you. I know that 45 divided by 5 equals 9. And what is 135 divided by 5? Let's do it way over here. 135 divided by 5. And let's see. We could do 20 would get us to 100. We'd have 35 left. Could do 7 more. Okay, so 27. So this equals 27. And at this point, you hopefully notice that I could divide both of those by 9. So you can make it even simpler. Divide that by 9 and that by 9. And I end up with 1 and 3. So overall, 22 and 1/3 is my simplified fraction. You have to admit, 22 and 1/3 is a lot simpler than 22 and 45 1/35. Number 4, Aaron D had 7,907 grams of paper. How many whole kilograms of flour? So we have to remember that 1,000 grams equals a kilogram. So that would be 7 kilograms, and there would be 907 grams left. And just as a point for later, you could also say this as 7 and 907 thousandths kilograms. The measure of the angle, so we want, I'm going to zoom this in, we want this little bit right in here, and this looks like 81 to 90, which would be 9 degrees, right? 9 degrees. So the measurement of that little angle is 9 degrees. Okay, there you go. There is lesson 138.